How to refund or cancel an Etsy order. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to refund or cancel an Etsy order. So for that, you need to open up your browser and search for Etsy.com. Here, make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, the next step is to click on Shop Manager. So you're going to find that option somewhere over here. When you click on that option, this is going to open up. From here, you want to click on Orders and Delivery or Orders and Shipping. Here you can find all of your orders. So here on the cancel page, click on the order you want to cancel or refund, then select a reason for cancellation. Once you have done that, you will be able to cancel or refund your order. So in these simple steps, you can refund or cancel on Etsy order. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.